Hi and welcome. This is Eric, and today I'd like to introduce you guys on GoToMeeting application. Okay, so GoToMeeting helps business thrive with secure online meetings and industries-based audio and video quality. So we're gonna be using GoToMeeting for this training because it's online, so I'll be meeting online on daily basis. Okay, so in the previous videos, I showed you guys how to collaborate using Box. Okay, so if you have more information or you need more information regarding Box, all you need is open your browser, type Box up, and you should be able to see more information and all that. So now we're talking about GoToMeeting. All you need is to type GoToMeeting app, and you can see more information about it. And because we'll be using that, really we will need to download the software for easy access. We can use web browser to join the meeting. I'll be sending you like a link or a meeting ID. You'll be using that to join the meeting. But I highly recommend you guys to download the application itself. So you go to this website here, and then you look for downloads, and then you're gonna download. But in short, we'll be using this GoToMeeting to really schedule the meetings and the class, and we will have Stado as well. Be using GoToMeeting. We'll send the ID and all that, and I'll show you the app which has already been installed. So if you go here and type GoToMeeting, that's your search. My next video gonna be about basic computers and how to navigate. I'll show you guys how to navigate through and all that. But right now, you go to your search bar, you just type GoToMeeting, you're gonna see this one. You're gonna either click here or you can go ahead and open. But this is when you've already installed. So let me show you guys first how to download it from this online. So first of all, you type GoToMeeting app from any search engine. You can go here to download GoToMeeting, go to webinar and connect. So if you click this link, all you need is GoToMeeting. If you click here, it will download. You're gonna see it in the bottom left corner. Really, you're gonna see, of course, yeah. It will take to this page, and then you click download it. You're gonna see it down here. Okay. And if you're having troubles, you can just go down and download. So I'll just show you guys where you're gonna find it. I downloaded the second time, that's why I didn't want to download it. But you will see it here. And speaking on that, because we spoke about Box, this is first software I'll upload. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to this folder and to be part of the setup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and upload. That way you have that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my downloads, open, and you'll see there your first file. Okay, so this is what you need first to install. To install, you just double click on it. So to download from Box, so you can download from GoToMeeting direct, but if you're having trouble, you can come here to Box and download. So you can just go ahead and really I don't see it here because of my look. I can just minimize this if I'm having trouble, and still I don't see the down, it's up there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use probably this one here, and I'll get this option here, download. So I'll download it still as a zip now, and I'll show you guys later. Now it's downloaded as a zip folder. Really, I download everything in that folder. So if I double click, I'm gonna see all the files in there. Right now there's just one file. So to install this, you can either double click or right click and open. Okay, and then I want to install. Really, you're gonna see something like this, and it will start installing. I really don't want to install, so I'm gonna end up canceling at the end of the day because I'm gonna have to. So it didn't install, really just open the existing software. But anyways, the moment you finish it to install, this is what you're gonna see. So most of the times, really, you're gonna put the meeting ID here to enter the meeting. Okay, so for example, now you want to join this meeting here. This is the ID you're gonna have to punch in and hit join. So this is the window you're gonna get. And I cannot minimize. But you see something like this, most of the times really you can set up the microphone. If you want to join through the phone, you're going to get the phone number to dial, or you can use the computer. And if you have the laptop, really you don't need the microphone and headset. Really, it's just going to be automatic because most of the laptops comes with the microphone. But if you have a desktop, most likely you'll need. And to avoid interrupting ongoing meeting, I would advise you before you join, just mute your microphone, okay, and turn off your camera first, and then you join, and then later on, if you're required to talk or to turn on your camera, you can go ahead. So you can turn on the camera here, you can see the message and all that. So I don't need that for now. All I need is join, and in my resolution here, it's killing me. But let me try to. Yeah, I cannot seem to get work. But again, you're gonna see here, okay, I'm ready. That's the button you need to click. So to join, for now, it's telling you it's waiting for the organizer. So in this GoToMeeting, the organizer is gonna be instructor and the students gonna be attendees, and you can see it's muted here. So let me try to log in on my end here and see this message changing. I'm gonna pause it for a little bit. Okay, so I'm logging in on the other side. And it should let us in. Okay, I might need to use a different login because I'm using the same. Let me try to exit and come back again. put this on this side here. Leave the meeting. Yes. So open. Join. Let's see if I joined the wrong meeting. I'm ready. Oh, I did join the wrong meeting. So let me kill this. Do you want to leave? Yes. So go to meeting. I have multiple meetings over here. Okay, so let me sure I didn't start the meeting. So let's try again. Third time is a charm. So go back here, log in. You're gonna say, okay, I'm ready. And it's waiting. I'm gonna start my meeting on the side. And I may get echoes because I'm using two devices real quick. So you can hear the beep sound. And the meeting is starting. Great. So this is what you're gonna see here. I'm gonna maximize GED. So it's the same login. I've logged in twice. That's the reason. But this is what you're gonna see on your side. You're gonna have a microphone button to mute and unmute. You're gonna have a camera to turn on and off. You're gonna see the screen. So right now you see to share screen, ask the organizer to make you a presenter. You're gonna have to let me know. I will give you the presenter rights, and then this button will become active. Once it's active, you will have to click and maybe choose the screen and hit share. If you want to leave the meeting, you can just go ahead and leave the meeting. Okay, so these are three buttons already we've learned. You can see the people join the meeting. You can copy the meeting here. And I think that's where you can unmute and mute yourself here as well. You can chat. You can send to a private, to organizer only, presenter only, maybe to someone else, to your student private, or you can send to everyone. Most of the times, if you have a question, just go ahead and share with everyone. Okay, you can say maybe what is SQL, and everyone will see, and we can collaborate. Maybe soon can answer, or maybe I'll answer if I'm talking, or sometimes you can unmute yourself and talk if that's easy. Okay, in these settings over here, you're gonna set up your microphone, your speaker, and all that good stuff. And if you like to use like a phone, you can just go ahead and click this phone here. So that's what in a nutshell, really. In the Go meeting today, we're seeing how to download the software, how to install the software, how to join the meetings, and how to mute yourself, to turn on the camera and off, and to share screen. This will not be active unless if you're a presenter. So the organizer will have to give you the presenter rights. And sometimes these buttons may disappear. If you don't see them, or the chart, you can just click here. Or if you don't see these, you're going to have to click on a screen. And to leave the meeting, you can just go ahead and hit leave. And you're going to get a little message telling you if you would like to leave. So you're going to say yes. So I don't want this video to be so long. So today we are covering about GoToMeeting. My next video is gonna just be computer basics, so it's gonna be really basic. Okay, thank you very much for watching this Smart Data Special. I will see you on my next videos. Adios.